Assalamu alaikum. So today my English video, some sentence use of was where. So let's get started. Some sentence I will talk about. Habib was a teacher. Habib was a teacher. He was a honest man, but he was a sick. The tree was tall. The book was on the table. Fatima Begum was a housewife. Fatima Begum was a housewife. She was honest and pious. The work was very hard. The work was very hard, but the sum was very easy. But the sum was very easy. The shirt was dirty. It was not clean. The shirt was dirty. It was not clean. We were good friends. We were good friends. The girls were good students. The girls were good students. The teacher was writing on the the teachers was writing on the blackboard. The classroom was full of students. The classroom was full of students. The students were following the teacher. The student were following the teacher. I was saying my prayer. I was saying my prayer. They were walking in the morning. They were walking in the morning. And the girls were in car. Were in the car. They were happy. They were happy. So everybody, my mistake, grammar and words. So if you don't mind, I will try you my practice English video. So please like, comment and share. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.